Welcome, grade ones. For our lesson today, we're going to do a few things. We're going to practice some sounds and some leap words that we've already learned. We're going to learn some more sounds for 2 new letters, as well as we're going to read a story. So we have lots of things to do today. So let's review here our sounds. So we have A, which now we know it makes 3 sounds. Can you do them with me? A, aw. Let's do them again together. A, aw. We also have I, e, e. And last, C. C has 2 sounds. Do you remember? K, and now what's the new one that we know? S. So it can say K or S, like an S. Okay? Now we're going to go through some of our leap words, which we haven't got to do in a while. So I want you to say if you can say them. Okay, and these are words that we have to just memorize because they make different sounds. We can't necessarily sound them out the same way we do. So these are ones we just want to recognize and know. The first one, the. Remember when we say I have a dog, we say I have a dog. So when we see A by itself. Of, is, has, as, say them with me, that, this, than, them, then, with, was, to, said, I, or, for, no. Okay? Now, here's the 2 cards that we're going to practice. So we know the letter O, and we know that it says ah. Okay? Ah. But we also, like otter, it also can say other sounds. So it can say ah as in otter. O, it can say its name, like open. It can say ooh, like to. We're going to go to the store. And it can say like you, oven. So ah, o, ooh, And we've got the letter G. Now we know the sound, it can say g, but G can also say j, like J. G, like goose, j, gem. G and j. Okay? Now in today's story, we're going to read about a man who's a chef, and his restaurant makes breakfast food. Now, his name is Gil, which is short for Gilbert. Okay, and let's talk about what's on our picture here. We have a horse-drawn wagon. Have you ever seen a horse-drawn wagon before? And a horse-drawn wagon was used to transport things before we had cars and transports and trucks. So a horse-drawn wagon would deliver milk or ice or whatever a restaurant or a shop needed. Now I have a question for you. If you could open a restaurant or a shop, what kind would it be? Why would you want that? Think about that. If you could open a restaurant or shop, what kind would it be? And why would you want to? So get your reader, and we're going to see what happens to the owner of the restaurant in our story today. You're going to read Pip the Milkman. Pip the Milkman. See you next time.